How's everybody feeling tonight? Make some noise, y'all. Hey, if y'all can do me a favor, everybody from the back of the room, we'd love to see your faces up front because I can barely make you out, all right? So if you do us a big favor, come up front. I want you to make some noise for DJ Blood Pressure on the Wheels of Steel from Denver, Colorado, via Long Island, one of my oldest brethren in the world, you know what I mean? Y'all feel good tonight? And you know why we're all gathered here, all right? So we just, give thanks for life. And, we work together to bring peace on earth through reggae music. This music is bipartisan in every way, shape, and form. It's for love, peace on earth. And we mean this from our hearts. Just want to let everybody know. I want to say thank you to JR for making this happen tonight. Everybody make some noise for JR. All right. All right. So right about now, it's a pleasure to bring on stage some good friends of mine, Root Sound from Denver, Colorado. Make some noise, y'all. Root Sound.
Pleasure to be here. Big up Thomas Pressure, install pressure on ones and twos, and give thanks again for JR, Ross Marcus, shout out Mighty Mystic. Y'all stick around, we got amazing music tonight for y'all. You know, that's why y'all came out. Thanks for supporting. Much love again. This is Root Sound Dog Experience.
To
you'll always find yourself living in misery. I said, it's my desire. Said my heart's on fire. You said it's my desire. It's what I require. Oh yeah. Thank y'all so much. We got Zane on the keys up here, y'all. Zan, terrible pronunciation. We got Sean on the guitar. JJ back there on the kit. And Ross holding down the bass, and I'm Brian, aka Root Sound of the One Drum Band as well. And I'm bringing you guys some live music. Super great to be out here tonight. We got a few more tunes, warming it up. Big up again, Blood Pressure. Big up Mikey Mystic and the whole crew coming on next. Murder she wrote. Big guitar. Here we got it. Thank y'all so much. There's a water out there. Give thanks. Shout out the band once again. Thank y'all for coming out. We're just getting the night started. Big up Blood Pressure again, holding down the selections. hosting. And thank y'all for again supporting and the benefit, again to the local Evergreen High School. So honors and respect to the families again. And much love for you guys coming out and showing support. It's an original tune for you guys. Little medley actually. One of the first songs I did a solo recording on.
Check the ones that say